Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a low carb keto meal, these delicious buffalo chicken wraps. So let's get started. So you're going to start off with some melted butter. Once your butter is all melted, you're going to go in and add your buffalo sauce. You want to make sure that your sauce is warmed up for your shredded chicken. Once your sauce is all nice and bubbly, you're going to add in your shredded chicken. And you can have your stove on about medium to low heat while you're getting your sauce fully coated on your shredded chicken. This should take maybe about 3 minutes. That'll be fine. Once everything is all mixed together, you're going to go in and add some honey. Alright, so after you have your honey added in, you're going to mix it around for about another minute. And you can have your stove on about low now. Once that's all mixed together, now we're going to go ahead and start plating this up. So I used about 4 lettuce wraps, but you can do about 5. So here you see I have my chicken and my wraps. And now I'm just adding some ranch on top of it. The ranch is optional, but I did want to have a little something on top of it. And there you have a low carb keto meal, these delicious buffalo chicken wraps. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.